Hello everyone, I'll show you how to make an easy shortcut of any of the website you want to do or any of the um, applications we are using. A very easy way so that you can directly click and then you go there. You don't have to again and again go and click and then log in and everything. Okay, first let me show you how to add a shortcut to animatron.com. So I'm going to click on the add shortcut in Google and I'm going to type animatron. Then I'm opening a new tab. You can see these are called new tab, the plus sign, new tab. I'll click here and I'll type animatron.com. It'll take time because it will depend on how is your internet. You click on studio, then I'll sign up. Same process. I'll sign up. Then sign up with Google. And then my name comes here. Yes. Then I can click on my project. Then automatically another window open where it will show you uh, that you can create your animations. Now, since I don't have any animation, so it's showing only one. So I will click on start creating here, or I. So this is how we open Animatron. Now, what you have to do as soon as you reach here, you need to copy this part. Can you see this is the URL? You need to click on this and Control C. Keep pressing Control and then press C. And you go back to the tab where you want, and this is your URL. So I'm going to paste it here. As soon as I paste it, say done. So automatically now you can see tag is open here. Okay, if I click in, automatically Animatron will open. It will come here. So this is how we add shortcuts. Please try to add shortcut to your Animatron. Thank you.